It is still not easy to get there, but Antarctica is now more accessible than ever before. The once remote seventh continent has become the it place to visit for adventure tourists. During the 2007-2008 tourism season, more than 46,000 travelers came to Antarctica. That's 9,000 more than the previous year and more than 20 times the number from 2 decades earlier. Most tourists come by ship, and even Antarctic tour operators admit it's getting crowded. The vessels can and do leak gasoline or oil into the normally pristine waters. That can be lethal to krill, a shrimp-like crustacean which supports the rest of the Antarctic food chain.
And krill is very important for the life here, not only for us. It's important for the life for the birds, penguins, fish, mammals.
While there are restrictions on the number of ships which could come into harbor, there is no such limit on size, and the vessels are getting bigger. There is discussion among member nations of the Antarctic Treaty that mandatory tourism limits should be imposed. Some are also concerned that there are now more than 60 research stations scattered about the continent.
It's really more political than scientific. It's not so bad because if stations are there, then you can do science there.
Treaty members imposed their own Environmental Protection Act in 1980 to protect the fragile environment in which the stations exist. This composting facility at Chile's Fry Base on King George Island is just one example of the efforts to recycle and reuse. Efforts are underway to find alternatives to the oil used for heating and powering the facilities, with signs of global warming becoming more evident in their own backyards. Antarctic research stations are continuing to look for new ways to lessen their own impact. For Assignment Earth, this is Bruce Burkhardt.